Hello guys, welcome to another episode of my video, and in today's video I want to be sharing with you my first paycheck on YouTube. That is how much YouTube paid me with my first 1000 subscribers. Okay guys, before I go into this video, I just want to use this opportunity to appreciate each and every one of you for being there, for always watching my videos. You are the ones that make this video to be possible. Without you, I would not be here today. So I really use this opportunity to appreciate each and every one of you for your kindness, for your support, and for your love. Now, before I started my channel last year, 2021. Now, you need to understand that for you to monetize your YouTube channel, now you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. Now, that was my main problem because it was my videos were really performing very bad initially. So I never believed that I was going to monetize my channel in just 12 months. So I really want to appreciate you guys for your support and everything. Thank you very much. I love you all. Now you need to understand something. That for you to monetize your channel very fast, there are some things you should do and there are some things you should not do. Now some of the things you should not do is for you to engage in what we call sub for sub. Now sub for sub is a state where by some YouTubers we come together to say, okay, subscribe to my channel and I'll subscribe to your own channel. Now what's the point of somebody subscribing to your channel where they will not watch your videos? So please don't do sub for sub. And also, if you want to start up on YouTube as a YouTuber, please, also another thing you should avoid is uploading different kind of videos. Now I did that at the beginning of my channel. Like if I scroll down, you will notice that I upload different kind of videos on my YouTube channel, and that did not go well because I got my audience confused, and with so doing my videos did not get much views at the beginning. So I'm going to encourage you guys, if you want to start up a YouTube channel, you need to have a niche, like focus on a particular set of video for you to upload. It's going to be better for you to focus on a particular set of video than for you to upload everything, because you don't need to do everything, but inside everything you need to choose something that you need to do. That is how YouTube works. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to have a quality thumbnail. You need to also have great quality titles for you to attract more views and the rest. And also you need to have passion for what you do, and because if you don't have passion, I'm telling you that you'll be discouraged. Because the first time I created videos on my channel, like seriously, for more than 24 hours I did not have any views, and I was really disturbed. Like I was so discouraged, like it was really bad. So if you don't have like passion for what you do, when you upload videos and you don't see any views, you'll be discouraged. Now the question I want you to ask yourself is that if you stay for YouTube for 1 year without being paid, can you still continue? Because if you don't have the passion for it, if you stay and you are not being paid for 1 year, you feel like quitting, because every day you are buying data but it look as if you're just wasting the data. So ask yourself, can you continue for 1 year without being paid? If yes, then it means you are good to go. Now the next thing I want us to talk about is like the process of monetizing your channel. Now here on YouTube, as I said earlier, you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time for you to start earning money on YouTube. That is what you need for you to start earning money on YouTube. So you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. So how does this work? So how do you do it? So after you successfully get the 4000 hours of watch time and 1000 subscribers, what you need to do next is for you to come to YouTube, and you need to come to YouTube and come to YouTube, go to your YouTube studio and click on click on the monetization button on your YouTube studio. Now when you click on that monetization button, they are going to open a place for you. The first thing you need to do is for you to read and understand the terms of service of YouTube. Now the second thing you need is for you to connect your YouTube channel to your Google AdSense account. That's where the problem is. Now if you're using your phone to do your videos just like me, now you need to use a browser called Firefox for you to be able to connect your YouTube channel to your AdSense account freely. That is how it is. Now next thing for you to do after that, you need to verify your address, you need to verify your identity, you need to submit your tax information, and the next thing is that you need to fill in your bank account details. Now if you're from Nigeria just like me, you need a domiciliary account, which is a dollar account for you to be receiving payment from YouTube. Now one of the problems I have here was for me to verify my address. So like my postal service here in Nigeria, it's not really that encouraging. So it took me 2 months plus for me to receive my pin from AdSense for me to verify my account. So I monetized my channel in October and I got paid in the month of December. So that was how it is. Now this is the monetization button over here. So you can just click on it if you're eligible for monetization. Now after you successfully fill in your account details and you verify your address, if you want me to create a plain video on how you can verify your address on AdSense, you want me to create a plain video on how you can do that, you can just mention it in the comment section below. I'm going to create a plain video on how you can monetize your YouTube channel and also how you can connect your AdSense to your YouTube channel. This video was just for me to tell you guys how much I got paid for my first time on YouTube. Now after that, now YouTube started calculating it from the day I monetized my channel, which was on October. Now they calculated October and November, they paid me on December. Now you need to understand that on YouTube, now YouTube transfer your funds from YouTube Studio to your AdSense account every from the 9th to the 13th of every month, and from there you get paid from the 21 to the 26th of every month. Like it wasn't really that easy. On the 21st of this month, I received an email from YouTube that they have sent my money to my account. But the truth there is that the truth there is that I did not receive the cash, so I was really worried. So I called the person that opened my account for me. I called the person that opened my account for me. I told the person that I was expecting some money, but I did not receive the money. So he told me I should come to the bank. That was on the 28th or 29th, because it's December. So I was like, okay, but I was really worried. So after everything, on the 24th, that was where I got my alert. I got credited. I was so excited. Now you really want to know how much YouTube paid me. Now let's see how much YouTube paid me for the month of October and November. Let's see how much YouTube paid me. Now you need to understand something, that here on YouTube, that they pay you based on your CPM. That is it. That is really important. Now let's see how much YouTube paid me in the month of um October and November. Now my first alert on YouTube here. Let's see. I want to zoom. I want to select the date. Okay, over here. Now in the last let's say in the month of October, when I monetized my channel newly. Let's see the month of in the month of October. Let's see how much YouTube paid me in October. In the month of October, when I monetized my channel newly, YouTube paid me $72. Like what you can see there, $72. That is, I have just 4,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But YouTube did not calculate it, because they started calculating it from the day I monetized my channel. So in the month of October, I earned $72, like what you can see there. And in the month of, let's check the month of November. And in the month of November, I thought I earned something low, because I did not upload much videos in the month of November. So let's calculate the total amount of money. Now October was 72 and November was 53. And 72 plus 53, that should be 120, 125. Now I paid tax $3 for my tax. They deducted $3 and I received a whooping of $122 in my account. That was my first paycheck on YouTube. Wow, that's amazing. Now at least I got some more cash for my data, the data I spent all this while on YouTube and the rest. So that is it. At least I got money for my data back. So it's really like it's not really that much, but at least it's really encouraging. So that is how it is. It's really encouraging. So to tell you that here on YouTube you can still earn more than that, but all what you need is just consistency and passion and a perseverance spirit. You need to be patient. That is it. That even though when it's not paying you, even though when it's not paying you, you still need to be patient. That is it. Don't just get up and say, okay, because I've been on YouTube for a while now and I've not been paid, I'm not doing it again. I wish I quit. I could have not been paid. So that is how it is, guys. This is what I got paid as my first check, $122 in my bank account. I was so excited as my first time. So if you want me to create a practical video on how to connect your AdSense account to your YouTube channel and how you can verify all those, your address, your identity, and your tax information, just let me know in the comment section below. That's all for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I really do appreciate you. If you learned something, like my videos, share my videos, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.